If you're thinking about starting dropshipping in 2025, then you need to watch this video before you do anything. Now, I've been in the dropshipping game for a while, and I've seen so many people waste their time and money doing things completely wrong. So in this video, I'm going to show you the biggest mistakes people make when starting dropshipping and how to avoid them. Trust me, you don't want to waste your time and money on things that won't work. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. Now, the first mistake I see all the time is people trying to find winning products without any research. They just pick a product because it looks good or because they saw it trending on social media. And while it's great to be inspired, picking a product based on guesswork is not the way to go. To succeed, you need to do proper research. You can use platforms like TikTok and Facebook to see what's gaining traction. You also need to pay attention to engagement. You need to look at the comments. If people are saying things like, I need this, or where can I buy this, that is a very good sign. But even then, it's not a guarantee that it will do well. So what you need to do is use a tool that removes the guesswork for you. Now, the tool I'm talking about is PIPIADS. PIPIADS is a fantastic tool that helps you find proven winning products and their ads. And you seriously need to try out this tool for yourself. So this is the dashboard, and straight away it shows you the winning products of the day. You can sort by either TikTok or Facebook. Now, why I like this tool is not only does it help you find winning products, but it shows you ads that were created for those products that you can use to repurpose yourself. So as an example, if I search this product into the search bar, I can see other stores selling the same product. Now, if I click over here, it will also show me stats on the TikTok ads. So I can see how many impressions and the cost of ads too. Now, if I scroll down, I can find the video ads created for this product, which I can download and essentially repurpose them for my own ads, which is amazing because you can literally do this with any product, which makes creating viral videos around your product a piece of cake. Now, over here, you can also search for the top products. And what's cool about this is you can sort by daily, weekly, or monthly. So again, guys, if you seriously don't want to waste money on products that aren't going to do well, and you want to remove the guesswork and use products that top dropshippers are using, and if you don't want to lose money on terrible ads that aren't converting, then make sure you check out PIPIADS. The link will be in the description below, and you can get 20% off by using the code you see on your screen. Also, guys, if you are enjoying the video so far, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Now, the second mistake dropshippers make is spend money on ad sets that aren't working. Now, this one is a big one. Far too many people spend loads of money on Facebook ads and TikTok ads just to watch the money go down the drain. The issue is they're not testing their ads properly. They put up one ad, and when it doesn't work, they keep pouring more money into it. That is a recipe for disaster. You always need to test your ads first. Start with a small budget and test multiple variations of your ad. Using that, you can check what's getting the most engagement and which ones have the highest conversion rates and which ones simply aren't performing. Now, once you've identified what works, then you can scale it up, but don't put all your eggs in one basket. Ad testing is crucial, and wasting money on untested ads is one of the quickest ways to burn through your budget. Now, the third mistake a lot of dropshippers make is not creating a branded store. Now, this one is a game changer. If you want to succeed in 2025, you cannot throw together a generic Shopify store with random products. That's unfortunately not going to cut it anymore. You need a branded store that looks professional and trustworthy. The design matters. Your customers need to feel like they're buying from a legitimate business, not some random dropshipping store. So invest in a clean, modern design that's aligned with your brand. Make sure your product pages are detailed with high quality images and clear descriptions. Create a logo that reflects your brand's identity. And don't forget about the About Us page. It's a chance to connect with customers and show them who you are. This helps give the sense of a branded store. And branding is more important than ever in 2025. If you're not creating a branded experience for your customers, you're missing out on a lot of sales. The next mistake is focusing only on lower margin products. Now, this one can be tempting, but it is a mistake. When you're starting out, it might seem like a good idea to sell products that are cheap, so you can sell them at a low price and make quick sales. But here's the problem. Lower margin products are much harder to scale. And although you might get some quick sales, you won't make enough profits to reinvest in your business or grow in the long run. Instead, the best thing to do is focus on products with higher profit margins. Look for products that you can sell at a reasonable price while still making a good profit. Higher profit margins will give you more room to run ads, create content, and scale your business. The final mistake is not automating the process. Now, in 2025, you should be looking to automate your business. The last thing you want to do is be stuck doing manual work all the time. Automation is key to scaling, and there are tons of tools out there that can automate tasks like order fulfillment, email marketing, and even product research, which we touched on earlier. Start using these tools early on and you'll save a ton of time. This way you can focus on what matters the most, which is growing your business. Now, dropshipping is still one of the best business models to invest in 2025. So make sure to avoid all these mistakes if you seriously want to grow your dropshipping business. And if you want to see me scale up a store to over $4,000 in only 48 hours, well then make sure you click the video that you see on your screen, and I'll see you guys there.